Hello everyone, I am Camo and we are back in the lesson 8 of Learn Kurdish language. Oh my god, it's been a long time I haven't made a lesson about the Kurdish language. Yeah, I've been so busy. Uh, so yeah, but I I really missed to make videos for like tutorial videos. I really missed it, but anyway, finally I'm back. And today we are going to it's our eighth lesson. When I started, I never believed that I can go till the lesson 8. But anyway, we are in lesson 8, and in uh, after lesson 8 I will make more lessons as well. So yeah, and today we are going to talk about math and numbers. So we are going to talk about mathematics and numbers. And for the next lesson, I'm going to talk about geometric shapes. Plus, we will do some math. In next lesson, we are going to do some arithmetic operations with numbers. But before I get into the lesson today, I want to talk about something. For maybe this week I will share a video, or I'll make a video for this week or for the next week. It's going, a friend of mine, a Vietnamese friend of mine, asked about a video about. Actually, it's been a long time. He's asking me to make a video about Middle East and political and historical background of Middle East. So basically, I'm going to make a video for, my next video is going to be about Kurdistan and Middle East, which I am going to talk about Middle East, okay, in general, and Kurdish history and political background and religious, political, cultural background, particularly. So basically, it's going to be a very useful video if you are interested in Kurdish culture, if you are interested in Middle East as a whole, to understand what is going on. And I'm going to talk about many things. I'm going to talk about history, different religions in the area, and we are going to talk about them. What is the difference between Shia and Sunnah? And most important things also, we are going to talk about. ISIS as well. So what are the causes of why ISIS are fighting Kurds, and what is wrong with Middle East? So I'm going to give you a very good political background and historical background, because if you are not from Middle East, and if you really want to understand Middle East, it's really complex things. It's really complex. It's really complicated. But anyway, in my next video, I'm sure that's going to be a long video, but maybe I will talk, maybe I will put it as 2 or 3 videos or something like that. But anyway, let's get into our lesson for today. Okay, so mathematics and numbers. So let's go into our first slide. In our first slide, we have math. Okay, so what is math in Kurdish? Math, okay, or mathematics. Actually, math is mathematics, okay? So mathematics or math in Kurdish is bir kari. And let me give you a nice explanation here. Bir kari in Kurdish, we made it from 2 words, and with a suffix as well. But anyway, bir, okay, in Kurdish, bir means thinking, okay, think. Okay, think or thought or thinking, okay, and kar, okay, kar means work, okay, to work or to act, to make an action, okay, to make an action, to move, or it also means to work. So for example, if I say, what is your job? I will say tokaret chia, means what is your job? Or it's also can mean business, like what's your business, man? Okay, so tokarchia, it's the same thing. Okay, so kar means to work, okay, or to do something, and it is a suffix. So all together, all these components together, it's going to be math in Kurdish. Okay, okay, let's go to, in Kurdish, how can you say numbers? Okay, in plural. Okay, it's plural case. So in plural, you say jmarakan. We have long vowel, okay? This is long vowel, and this is long a, and this is short a. So jmarakan. Let me tell you something. In Kurdish, every plural nouns are definite. So when you make a plural noun in Kurdish, it must be definite. It must be definite as well. For example, and let me give you another thing. If you see number in Kurdish, which is number, okay, not plural, it's jmara. But when we make plural in Kurdish, in most of the cases, we have oh my God, I ruined it. Okay, in most of the cases, we only add this suffix akan. Akan. Okay, oh my God. Okay, we add this. Okay, ahkan. But here we will erase one a because ahka and here in Kurdish there must not be two vowels together. Okay, so we have to delete one vowel. But anyway, we add this suffix akan, akan, and if you see my other lessons, I usually talked about the definite article in Kurdish is a suffix. Actually, it's a suffix that indicates definite or indefinite nouns. And by adding n, we will create a new suffix which means plural. So if we add akan to a noun, it makes it definite and plural. And every plural noun in Kurdish is definite. Anyway, jmarakan, jmarakan, number, jmara, jmara, jmara. Actually, there is a Kurdish. Sorry, there's also an Arabic word we use in jmara. Raqam. Okay, it's an Arabic word. Raqam. Sometimes you are also using that, but when you make in Arabic, if you make plural of this word raqam, it will be arqam. But in Kurdish, no, we are adapting Kurdish grammar to the words, even to the Arabic words that we are borrowed. We are using Kurdish grammar to them. So this raqam, if you wanted to make plural, raqam akan. Okay, we will add akan to it, and we attach to it, so it's going to be plural as well. So jmara and jmarakan, everyone will understand you. But if someone use raqam, just don't confuse these. But I usually use jmara, and now people are getting used to use jmara again. And every book and magazine and newspapers, you only see these two Kurdish words, jmarakan and jmara. Okay. Now we are not using raqam anymore. But in colloquialism, sometimes you are using this Arabic word. But still, people will understand if you use the Kurdish word, and now we are using Kurdish word as well. Okay, so let's go. And by the way, let me tell you another interesting thing. For example, arqam in Arabic, as I said, it's plural. Actually, sometimes what are we doing when we make a plural? We say arqam makan. So we make two plurals, one plural in Arabic plus we add Kurdish plural to it as well. Okay, just for your information. Okay, let's go to mathematics. As I said, mathematics or math means birkari, and I told you bir is to think or thinking, and kar is to kar, okay, is to work, and e is suffix. Anyway, we call it amrazi danapal, means a tool for stucking or tool for linking, something like that. Anyway, let's go to problem. Okay, problem in English, we don't really mean problem or an issue. We mean a mathematical problem. And if you say mathematical problem in Kurdish, you have to use how kesha. Okay, how kesha. And how kesha, it also means formula. So formula and problem in Kurdish, we say how kesha. Okay, for mathematical problem. Okay, not other problem. In Kurdish, if you say problem, you say kesha. Kesha means problem. But how kesha means mathematical problem. All right, so let's go. To solve in Kurdish means shikar kirdin. Shikar means solution. Kirdin, kirdin, it's from the verb, it's verb to do. Okay, kirdin means to do. So shikar kirdin, together we have a compound verb which means to solve. Okay, shikar kirdin. But of course, if I use it with pronouns in Kurdish, they will take ending. Okay, So if I say I am, okay, in present tense, if I say I am solving a mathematical problem, in Kurdish I will say من هاوکێشەیەکی بیرکاری شیکار دەکەم. Okay, it's going to be like anyway, but شیکار کردن means to solve. Okay. Then we have okay. There is another word in colloquialism. Sometimes you are using Arabic word حل کردن. Okay, حل in Arabic means solution, and in Kurdish, we are when we borrow this word, we are making it go through a Kurdish filter. So حل means shikar in Kurdish. Okay, basically means to solve solution. Kirden, it's a verb to do. So حل kirden or shikar kirden both means to solve a problem. But in Kurdish mathematic books, what we study in schools, we use shikar kirden, okay, more than hal kirden. But hal kirden, usually people use it in colloquialism, okay. It's he sound. I know it's difficult for English speaker or a European languages to pronounce this, but it's hal kirden, okay. If you use the Arabic one, the Arabic Kurdish one, okay. Then we have formula. Formula means yasa. Actually, yasa means rule. Okay, yasa means rule. Formula, it still means haukesha. But in math, when we have a formula, it means we have a structure, and structure is yasa. Yasa means a rule. Okay, in mathematics we use yasa. In Kurdish, if you have a in mathematics, if you have a formula in English, in Kurdish we say yasa. Yasa means rule. Okay, yasa means rule or law or law. Okay, law or rule. Then we have power. Okay, actually power or square. Okay, for example, you say 2 square 2. Okay, square or power in Kurdish means tuan. Okay, so if I say 2 square 2 in Kurdish, I would say du tuan du. Okay. Anyway, let's go to our next slide. Okay, so now we will talk about some arithmetic operations. We have 4 basic arithmetic operations in mathematics. And these mathematical operations or arithmetic operations, let's start. We have plus. Okay, this sign is plus. Okay, what was it in English? I mean, there is another. It's not plus actually. I think there is. Just like how can you say subtractions, and division. There is another noun for it. But anyway, plus. Okay, this sign in math. In Kurdish we say ko. Okay, ko. But we also can use the Arabic one, which is jama'. But I never used the Arabic one because since I was a kid in school, I just used to call. I used to this word. For example, my father and my mother, because they studied Arabic when there was Saddam regime, long time ago, like 30 years ago or something, they studied math in Arabic. So they picked up the words, for example, arithmetic words in Arabic. But in new generation, because the books of math is in Kurdish, and to be honest, the Kurdish is easier on my tongue than I say jama'. The students, they get used to say the Kurdish one. So ko, okay, ko means plus. Okay, ko means plus. Ko means plus. And let me tell you a word. Ko bu nawa. In Kurdish, ko bu nawa means to unite. Okay, to unite or to gather. Okay, to gather. It's a nice word. Okay, so to gather means ko bu nawa. Ko bu nawa. It came from ko. Okay, bun, which is verb to be, and awa, which is a suffix to make a new word. So ko bu nawa. You have ko. It's just like how in English you have the bases you borrowed from you borrowed from Latin and Greek. I don't have some like biography and bio. Okay, just nothing. Okay, I messed up. Anyway, so ko means plus. Okay, it's plus sign. Okay, let's go. Uh, yeah, and by the way, in French, it's written the same way and it's pronounced as plus. So, and there is one of the greetings in French. You know, when you say goodbye to someone, you say à plus tard or à plus. Okay, in French you say. So when you chat with a French person, sometimes when they say bye, you know, see you soon, they say a plus. So a plus means à plus. You know, just bye. Just for your information. Let's go to another slide. Okay, we have minus. Minus in in Kurdish is kam. Okay, kam means minus and also means something is less. Okay, you also can say something is less. For example, kama means it is less. Okay, something is less. It's, you know, it's not the something is less. Okay, but anyway, kam means minus. Okay, kam means minus. In next lesson, which I'm talking about geometric shapes, and I will also tell you how can you really use them in math, and how can you, you know, make, like, say 2 minus 2. Okay, how can you say that in Kurdish? In next lesson we will do that. But anyway, in Arabic, okay, this is Arabic. Naqas, naqas, naqas. It's in Arabic. But as I said, Kurdish people, this new generation is used to say kam. Okay, but if you hear naqas, you know, if someone still have the influence of what they learned in school 30 years ago, 40 years ago, just don't be confused. Naqas is also means kam, also means minus. Okay, division. Okay, actually, if you say division in Kurdish, you would say dabash kirdin. Dabash kirdin means dividing or division. Okay, this is the participle. Anyway, division. Okay, but dabash. Anyway, dabash means division. Okay, or divide. To divide means dabash. Okay, dabash. Taqsim, it's the Arabic word. Taqsim is Arabic word, it's which also means dabash. But anyway, I get, you know, to be honest, because I studied in Kurdish, I studied math in Kurdish, so I just get too used to the Kurdish words. And this new generation, they are not, they not anymore. They are using these, you know, we don't use these words anymore. But as I said, you know, those people who studied in Arabic long time ago, they use this word, okay, because they get used to say, you know, to satisfy the, I mean, I don't know, just for satisfaction, they can use this word, you know, because they used to it. But now, if I say this, I don't know, I feel strange because I would feel like it's not my normal way to say it. So the now new generation, they they say da bash, da bash, da bash, and actually bash means part, and I think da means it's actually an prefix. Okay. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Okay, next slide is, okay, we have multiplication. So multiplication or to multiply means, okay, we have some words. We have jaran. Jaran is the standard way to say. So in the books, you say jaran. But in Slemani accent, which is my accent, usually people say karat, karat, okay, karat. They say karat. But you know, even though I am Slemani, but you know, I don't know, I studied Jaran, so I satisfy, you know, I satisfy to say Jaran. Jaran more than karat, but karat is a Sleman, it's a colloquialism of Slemani people. Okay, Slemani people use it in their daily life. And in Arabic is zarab, zarab, zarab. Okay, dharab is in Arabic. Dharab, but in Kurdish we don't say dharab, we say zarab, zarab. And we make the R stronger. Zarab, 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 zarbi, zarab, you know. Okay. Next slide. It's not arithmetic operation, but it define, for example, 2 is equal to 2, A is equal to A is equal to B, etc. So anyway, equal, okay, equal means yaksan. In Kurdish we say yaksan, but if you say 2 is equal to 2, we say, oh my god, it's revealed my next lesson. Anyway, okay, yaksanaba, okay, we will talk about these in the next lesson, okay, but we also can say akata, and dakata. Akata and dakata is the same, but in Slemani we usually change the d sounds to sound. So you say akata, but the standard Kurdish is dakata, dakata. But we usually, I don't know what, we don't really like sound D, so sometimes we change it to and sometimes we delete, we delete it we erse it in some words. For example, Muhammad, it's the name of the Prophet Muhammad of Islam, but in Slemani, when they call you, hey Muhammad, come here, they say Muhammad. So I don't know, Slemani people, we eat this sound. We say we eat. Basically, I mean we erse it. We don't say it, or sometimes we change it to It is what it is. Okay, so let's go. Okay, we have two signs here. We have true and cross or false. Okay, rast means right or something is right. Okay, something is true. We say rast means right, and hala means wrong. Okay, or false. It doesn't mean cross. Hala doesn't mean cross, but if you want to say cross in Kurdish, we say khach. Okay, khach is cross, but we don't use it. We don't use khach for hala. Khach means the cross. The cross that is used in religious purpose, like Christians that they use cross, we call it khach. We call it khach. But actually, if you want to say wrong, or false in Kurdish, you say hala, hala, hala. The L is strong. Hala, hala. Okay, so let's come to the numbers. Numbers in Kurdish is easy, so don't be panic. Okay, it's not like some languages, like for example in French, from 1 to 60, you are good. Okay, you are good to go. But when you are getting into 70, 80, 90, 20, 100, oh my god, you get crazy in French. But in Kurdish, no. In Kurdish is easy. Okay, it's easy. It has an easy number system, numeral, not number system, numeral system. So, okay, if you see 1 in Kurdish, yek, du, se, 3, chwar. Okay, in Slemani and the standard language we say chwar, and to be honest, Slemani is kind of standard language of KRG, Kurdistan Regional Government, or Iraqi Kurdistan. It is kind of standard. But anyway, in standard and Slemani language, we say in Slemani dialect or Slemani accent, we say chwar, chwar. But in Hawleri accent, we say char, char, char. I think it's like Hindi language. I think so. Anyway, penj, penj means 5. Shush means 6. This is not he, this is he. Okay, when we have these 2 dots here, it's he. Hout, hout. In Slemani accent and in the standard dialect, we say hout, hout. But in Hawleri accent, they say haft, haft. 8 is hushed in Kurdish, hushed, hushed. We have 9. 9 is no, 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 no. I'm joking. It's no, no. Like you say, give me some money. You say no. It's exactly like that. Okay. So no. And then we have da. Da means 10. Okay. Then we have from 10 to 20. As I said, da is 10. Then we have 11. Okay. From 11 to 17, we have 2 different readings according to Slemani dialect or Hawleri dialect, okay, or the dialect that's been speaking in Hawler. The first words that I wrote is in Slemani dialect, and the second ones after the comma is Hawleri dialect. I'm going to read both. 11 is yanza, 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 yanza. In Hawleri it would be yazda, yazda. 12, dwanza in Slemani, dwazda in Howleri. You see, it's, I think you get it. In Slimani we add nuza, okay. In Howleri they add zida. I don't know why, but it is like this anyway. Dwanza, dwazda, syanza, syanza, sezda, sezda, çwarda, çarda, çarda, panza, pazda, shanza, shazda, havva. Okay, it's like to the havva, 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 but you don't stop. You say havva, but the v is a little bit it's stressed. Okay, havva, havda, havva, havda, hajda, nozda. Okay, in Slimani and Howleri we both say hajda, we both say nozda. Okay, then we have 20, which is beast, beast. And let's take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And later I will tell you how can you add other number, like how can you say 21 or 30, 34, okay? Anyway, da, 20 is beast, 30 or 30 is C, 40 or 40 is chill, chill. 50 is panja, panja. 60 is shost, shost. 70, haft. Okay, by the way, the sh is sh, okay? 70 is hafta, hafta. 80 is hashta, hashta. 90 is nawat, nawad, nawad. Sometimes we say nawat, nawat is became t. Okay, sometimes. Nawad, but actually it's in standard is nawad, okay, but sometimes you say nawat, okay, or actually when we add the number like nawad, nawatu, it's changed to t sound. Anyway, sad, okay, it has two words. Okay, in Slimani we say sa, sa, the strong s, and a, sa, sa. And in Howleri they say sad, and actually in Howleri is sad, and in standard language is also sad, but Slimani people they say sa, but there is a problem. In Slimani we use sag to the dog, but in Howleri they use sa to the dog. So when we say number sa in Slimani, a Howleri person might understand we say sug or dog, and when it's something like that. So sometimes the problem happens because they felt like they are insulting them, but actually they just say the number. But it's very common in Slimani we say sa, in Howleri they say sad, and sad is more correct because it's standard. Okay. Okay. Then we have okay, our final slide. I know I see it's 28 minutes, but anyway, I like to talk a lot, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, okay, so jmara means number, so jmara plus wu in Kurdish means and. Okay, it means and. It means and basically. Okay, it means and. So jmara means number, number. Basically means number and number. In Kurdish, if we wanted to add number to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 90, 100. Oh my god, what's 20? 900. 900. Okay, so 20, 20, 21. If I say 21, basically what is the number? It's the first number is 20. So I say 20 and we say 1. So 21 or 20 and 1. In Kurdish we say like this. So 21 is bistu yek. 22 is bistu du. Okay. Okay, there are not any exceptions. So you just got the rule and that's it. Okay. It's the same thing if you add other numbers. For example, 1,444. 1,444,044. If you say that, between each number you just put woos, okay, woo, and this is the rule in Kurdish. Okay, so this is very easy. You can now 1 till infinity in Kurdish. Okay, infinity. And by the way, I forgot to talk about infinity in this video, so I will put it to another video. And if I forgot, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, okay. In Slemani accent, we say Noah. Noah means know what. I forgot to say that. Know what. In Slemani, sometimes we say Noah. Noah. So if we say 99, we say no, 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 no. But in standard language, nawaduno, nawaduno. But in Slemani, we say nawono. But in standard is nawaduno. Nawoshsh is in Slemani. But if I wanted to say it in standard language, I would say nawadu no. Nawaduno. Okay, 101, 101 in Kurdish I say Sawiyak in Slemani accent, Saduyak in standard. I think that's it for today, and I hope you like the lesson. And for the next lesson, we're gonna have geometric shapes, and I will talk about shapes in English. What is cube? What is not ice cube? I mean cube. Okay, it's not the wrapper. Okay, what is cube? What is square? What is triangle? What is pyramid, etc. And we will do some math operations. We will do some arithmetic operations. Don't worry, it's just go. We are not going to talk about oculus or something like that. Okay, we are just going to talk about subtraction, multiplication, etc. How, very basically. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, study well. Okay, I know Kurdish language can be hard at time to time, but I think it's interesting to learn Kurdish, and it's interesting to learn any other languages. And yeah, so if you have a suggestion for me, if you have a request for me or something, my exams, my first semester is finished, so this week I'm going to be free. So if you have a request or something, you can ask me, and I'll try to do it as fast as I can. So yeah, have a nice time, everyone. Bye bye.